Hey, thank you very much for joining us here on timforrest.com or the YouTube channel, youtube.com/timforrest consulting. Hey, I want to talk about understanding current food trends, what's happening in the food markets, always changing, always has been. At the same time, there's so much that's been the same. So much of this industry has been around for so long, but there's always changes with consumers. And I just want to share with you some areas to be thinking about looking at. The first one will be, well, we'll just go down health and wellness. Convenience, sustainability, innovation, direct to consumer. Specifically, I'm working on a project right now. We're in Los Angeles and we're doing store audits, reviewing category sets, and looking for products. Reviewing the category, and I'm going to share that in another video regarding analyzing the competition and understanding your category. But what's going on so much, and it continues, is an emphasis on health and wellness. So we're looking for better for you products, looking for organic, we're looking for local grown, we're looking for including in this area sustainability as well. But that's what consumers are looking for. So you're seeing this everywhere in every category and every department, where you're seeing claims, you're seeing new products, you're seeing new brands, you're seeing packaging that highlights this and brings us out. Oh, and if you haven't already done so, go ahead and like and subscribe, and go ahead and hit the like button because it really does help the algorithm for other folks that are looking for videos on growing their food business and scaling success in the food industry. The next one is convenience. So what's happening in categories all across the stores, people are looking for convenience. They're looking for convenient, ready to eat meals that are easy to prepare, easy and already prepared. And this is you're seeing this in all categories. So you're seeing steps. If it were required to be mixed or made before or baked, it's being mixed and made and baked and ready to eat, already ready to go in the store. You're seeing a lot of product. You're seeing growth in the freezer section. You're seeing growth in refrigerated foods because products are wanting to be ready to go, just immediate consumption. You've got products that people go to the stores now. Steve talks about a lot about growth. He's a grocer guru. And you have the growth of prepared foods in the stores now. So in supermarkets, you're seeing so much product there that people go there to get meals, take home, even eat on premises. The success at Wegmans of their retail, Whole Foods as well, and so many other places with food service. So convenience is key, is what their folks are looking for. They're seeking speed. They're seeking instant gratification on food and ready to meals to eat. Also sustainability. Now sustainability is a good to have in the food business as far as products. People aren't just buying sustainable. Usually it's associated with some other value, whether it be flavor, profile, branding, other part of it. But it is an important part, and it's everyone's aware of it. And normally in the category research I've done in the interviews, it's an important secondary part of the program. But just because you have for instance, an Oreo, a sustainable Oreo, doesn't mean you're going to be able to compete with Oreo. Oreo has distribution, branding, along with they're also putting together and putting out messages of sustainability, just like other legacy brands are. But new brands that are sustainable, when they provided with other value, is the opportunity for it to be very successful. And of course, what I'm always looking for, and probably the number one driver of opportunity in categories, is innovation. So we're looking for innovation in doing new jobs for the consumer that's either not being done or doing it better, quicker, more efficient than folks that are in the category are already doing it. And we're looking for technology. We're looking for ingredients. We're looking for packaging innovations. Again, and going back to innovation we were talking about earlier, with some of the changes in the category with being convenient. That's what we're looking for as far as innovations, doing things for folks. And it even goes down to processes and ways the product gets to market. There's so many different opportunities, and every day there's new innovation. Every week there's multiple new innovations for the supermarket in the category. And so you need to always be keeping up with this and watching this, watching the stores, watching other products, watching what's happening at retail, and then also be thinking about What is your next opportunity to bring innovation? Where do you see opportunities for you to drive new innovation in the future? So many of the successful brands and companies in the supermarket space, they are testing and bringing out new products every year. They've got a budget. We're going to introduce 3 new SKUs this year. We're going to introduce 5 new SKUs, and they do that year after year after year and just go forward with that. Also, we're seeing a lot of companies looking at direct-to-consumer. The issue, they're hoping, so many of the smaller brands and micro brands are hoping they can build a direct-to-consumer company, but in American consumers do not buy food online. It's still a brick-and-mortar opportunity. Primarily, when you look at the numbers, the highest penetration of direct-to-consumer sales in the world is in South Korea, and there's a lot of reasons for that. But in America, you've got you do have tremendous. There are sales that are online that go to consumers. You've got the big home delivery services. The biggest driver of volume for online sales with the number, when you really dig into the numbers, is the click and collect. Consumers go on, build an item, build a big order, and they stop at specifically Walmart is where the volume is. Stop there, pick it up, and bring it home. But you do have some delivery at home, but you're still only talking about, which is, when you're talking about the food industry in America, it's big numbers, but you're still only talking about less than 10% of food sales in America are associated with being online. It is growing. They're always talking about the growth. But again, the opportunity is working with consumers and shoppers, being innovative there and going forward. The other thing about direct-to-consumer online, to build a purely online play food business, it's so difficult and so expensive to drive traffic to websites. And so that's what so many people are finding with online efforts. Anyway, that's just a quick comment on some of the current food trends. If you're new here, this is the first time you've seen me, I'm Tim at timforrest.com. I've been in the food business for going on 40 years, celebrating my 25th anniversary at Tim Forrest Consulting. Would love to learn about your innovative item. Go ahead, be sure to subscribe so you'll be the first to see the next video. Like this video and leave a comment below. If you've got an innovative item, I'd love to talk with you about your growth plans and what you're planning to do in the future. You can jump on my calendar at timforrestmarkets.com or send me an email at tim@timforrest.com. And I'm excited about my new resource for you. It's my latest book. It's everybody's got a recipe. It's the 5 proven steps to scale, 5 proven ingredients to scale food makers to millions. And it's really, I'm excited about sharing this, and it's available right now. You can get a copy for yourself at gettimsbook.com, and would love to talk to you. Jump on my calendar, timforrestmarkets.com, and have a great day. Thanks for watching.